Morning Wrinkle Plastics coming to you from San Antonio. I'm Mark Silva.
This is Rand Warehouse Manager.
And what we wanted to show you, the way that we're becoming more lean, is our cart area. As you can see, it's marked off and it's numbered. And what we do, when it's coming off the CNC area, we'll put it on our cart showing that it's complete. Then what we do, we'll cart it over to the finished area. Follow us this way. And you'll see, this is our other area, and it says finished order cart. This will let everybody know where the material is. The ticket will go in a box, and it's easy to pull. And this is the way that San Antonio is becoming more lean. Thank you guys. Have a good day.